Nernst's equation. Nernst's equation is a general equation that will relate the Gibbs free energy and cell potential in electrochemistry. So, the Nernst equation is basically used to calculate the cell potential of an electrochemical cell at any given temperature, pressure, and the reactant concentration. So, the Nernst equation will actually empower the assurance of cell potential under non-standard condition, and it relates the measured cell potential to the reaction quotient, and then it permits the exact measurement of equilibrium constant. So when we try to express the Nernst equation in the form of a formula or a relation, we say that E cell is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. So here E cell is nothing but the cell potential of the cell. E naught is cell potential under standard condition. R is universal constant. T is temperature. And N is number of electrons transferred in the redox reaction. F, we all know it is a Faraday's constant, and Q, it is the reaction quotient. And Nernst's equation is a very important equation which is used in order to solve numericals of electrode potential. So when we take it for an example, that electrochemical reaction, let us take AA plus BB is going to give us CC plus DD. So if we try to write this reaction in the form of the Nernst equation, we write it as E cell is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. So here the reaction quotient can be replaced as your product by the reactant raised to the power of coefficient. So we say C to the power of C, D to the power of D by A to the power of A and B to the power of B. So this is a relation how we arrive at the Nernst equation for a given reaction. So how do we derive this relation? We all know that Gibbs free energy, we could relate it to standard electrode potential as delta G is equal to minus NFE. This is general Gibbs free energy. But if we relate the same under standard condition, the above equation we can write it as delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught. So, Gibbs free energy under general condition and Gibbs free energy under standard condition, if we try to relate, so we will get the reaction quotient as delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Now, in place of delta G and delta G naught, if we replace the above value, we get it as minus NFE is equal to minus NFE naught plus RT ln Q. So, if we simplify that, we get it as E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q, and this relation we say it as Nernst's equation. So, what are all the places where we use Nernst's equation? Nernst's equation can be used to calculate single electrode reduction or oxidation potential at any condition, or we are using for the standard electrode potential. Then we calculate, that is comparing the relative ability as a reductive or oxidative agent, or finding the feasibility of the combination of such single electrodes to produce electric potential. We also use Nernst's equation to calculate the EMF of an electrochemical cell, or we can calculate the unknown ionic concentration. Then the pH of the solution and the solubility of sparingly soluble salt can be measured with the help of the Nernst equation. But this Nernst equation has certain limitations. That is, in dilute solution, the Nernst equation can be expressed directly in terms of concentration. But at higher concentration, the true activities of the ions should be used, and that situation will complicate the use of the Nernst equation because estimation of non-ideal activities of ions will generally require experimental measurements. Then the Nernst equation is also only applicable when there is no net current flow through the electrode. So there are certain limitations when we are using Nernst equation. Let us see an example. How do we calculate using Nernst equation? So we have a problem. Calculate the potential at 25 degrees Celsius for the following cell. So if we write the equation for this, we get it as Cu plus Ag plus will give us Cu2 plus 2Ag. So at oxidation, it is given as Cu2 plus 2 electrons. Cu undergoes oxidation to give us Cu2 plus 2 electrons. And at reduction, we have Ag plus electrons will give us Ag, and the values are mentioned here. So if we calculate E0 value, that is with reduction and oxidation, we get the value to be equal to 0.4594 volt. And in the given reaction, N is equal to 2 because we are having 2 electrons are transferred in the balanced equation. So now if we substitute, or now if we write the Nernst equation, it is equal to E is equal to E0 minus 0.02568 by 2 ln of Cu2 plus and Ag plus the whole square. If we substitute the value of Cu2 plus and Ag plus the whole square in the equation, we could calculate the value of the potential, which will be equal to 0.3702 volt. Hence, this equation is applicable or helpful in calculating many numericals. Hence, this equation or the Nernst equation is a very important part from the chapter of electrochemistry.